Okay, so here's the thing about getting in shape. It's called getting in shape. Nobody starts off perfect. Look at me. Look at my form. It's definitely not perfect by any means at all. But it's my starting point. Okay? So I can only get better from here if I keep being consistent. And that's the same thing for you and everyone else and anything that we start in this lifetime. We all have a starting point. No one starts out perfectly doing anything. Or at least I don't. I mean, you might be different, but hey, I can only speak for myself. So guess what I'm going to do? I'm going to keep showing up. I'm going to keep going until I get better at this thing. And then I'm going to go some more.